Moment you guys have all been waiting for. So I did the pulley swap a little while ago, but we did do a pulley swap. Here it is. That pulley swap. If you want to see how I made this, you can, I'll put a link in the description. Try to. So this is a 6-inch pulley going to a 5-inch pulley on the wheel. If you want to know what size belt this is, on a Craftsman LT 1000 17 horse briggs, with a 6 and a 5, it's a 94-inch belt. Originally, it's a 95, I do believe. One issue is you see that pulley, it's coming in contact with you. I had it off. I was trying to mess with it a little bit, see if I could get it close. Or not, so close, but I can't. Can't bend these out. I tried, but there's nothing really I can do. I went from a 1/2-inch belt to a 3/8 inch belt, whatever. Or 5/8 inch belt. 5/8 inch pulley on there, 5/8 inch up here. And I didn't have to do anything except throw the belt on, throw the pulleys on. This isn't really what you're supposed to do, but I gotta get a shoulder bolt. And then this is a 5/8 inch diameter pulley right here, the bowl size. Yeah, it all works. The belt is tight. Yeah, this is the only issue I have. This is a 6-inch, like I said. If you went any bigger, you wouldn't have a clutch. But 94-inch belt works great. So I'll get your GoPro on, and let's go for a ride. Reverse is a lot faster too. Ran out of gas. I've been in a car going 60 mile an hour, and this said 60 mile an hour, so this is pretty accurate. right there, and a 6-inch in the front, and a 5/8 by 94-inch belt. So, yep. And this is a Craftsman LT 1000, 6-speed manual transmission. Pretty much all stock. It's got stock tires, but yeah, I think it's a Peerless 206. But I don't really know. If you know what's in these Craftsman LT 1000s, you can see the sticker there. Doesn't say anything, but oh, it's a spicer. Whoops. Yeah, I don't know. So if you do know, please let me know. I would really like to know. So yeah, it's about to fall off. So this is now the total. I have named it to the total because it looks like a total and it likes going in the water. So yeah, this is total. So pulley swap on the total, finished, and it goes fast and it's fun. This is a mud mower, not a race mower. See ya. Bye.